Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix watch history option not showing on TikTok. The process is really simple. So first of all, go to your TikTok app. Then on profile page, tap on three horizontal lines at top right corner of your screen. Then tap on settings and privacy. On this page, scroll down a little bit and tap on report a problem. And on this page, tap on videos and sounds. And on this page, scroll down and tap on other. And on a report a problem page, tap on no. Then tap on need more help. And here type something like this: hi TikTok, I don't have the watch history option on my TikTok app. Please enable it because it's an important function for my TikTok experience. And after that, tap on report. When we have done that, then it will take about 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to respond back to you. So after a 1 to 3 business days, then you should have your watch history option on your TikTok account. So this was the process by which you can fix watch history option not showing on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.